All right, once again, your neighborhood math geek here to try to help you solve this problem. This question, what it's trying to teach you is the difference between a polynomial to a power and just some function to a power or a constant to a power. I mean, you could replace that e to the 2.4 with a pi to the 2.4 or 2 to the 2.4, and you treat it the same way. It would just be a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. The derivative of a higher order polynomial is you just put the ill power in front and you reduce the power by 1. So even though it's this weird 2.4, you follow the regular procedure and just treat it like normal. So let's start by identifying what we have. We have a constant, and of course the derivative of a constant is 0. E to the power 2.4 is basically like the equivalent of saying take the derivative of about 11. It just goes to 0. And for the next part, it's a higher order polynomial. So you take the 2.4 and you put in front, and you reduce the 2.4 by 1. 2.4 minus 1 is 1.4. And you just put that all together here, and you get that j's derivative with respect to x, or j prime, whatever you want to call it, is just 2.4 x to the power 1.4 plus 0, which is just the same as 2.4x to the power 1.4. And that's all there is to this question. Just remember the takeaway is that they want you to know the difference between a polynomial raised to a power and a constant raised to a power. If you are unclear about that, just make sure you get it straight in your head before going on, because you're going to get harder and harder content as this textbook continues. If you like this video, please consider liking, and if you're working your way through this chapter, please consider subscribing, because more videos will be coming in the future. Thanks again. I appreciate all the support from the community and the donations. And yeah, thanks again.